Once an innocent person is convicted and thrown behind bars, it's hard for them to imagine another chance at justice. But a new law in Tennessee is changing that with fingerprint analysis of evidence.
News Channel 5's Olivia Michaels spoke with a man who says a law like this could have prevented him from serving 12 years in prison for a crime he did not do.
It was a crime he paid for, but says he never committed.
I guess the best way to describe it would be like I've been through everything a murderer goes through except the murder.
Adam Brasil spent 9 years in prison for murder, all the while maintaining his innocence.
And so the judge, Judge Angel, this just judge, he overturned my case and vacated all my charges on Christmas Day.
It was the ultimate Christmas gift that only lasted 10 months.
I then found out that they wanted me to turn myself back in, and they ended up coming to pick me up, and then they put me back in jail.
A court of criminal appeals overruled the decision, sending him back to jail for 51 years, until the TBI updated its fingerprint database.
Some people say it's luck, but you know, she went and with this new technology, she, you know, grabbed a hold of this case with a fingerprint, and when she did that, it, lo and behold, revealed that it was somebody else.
New evidence showed his fingerprints were not a match in the crime.
What we realized was there was not an avenue for post-conviction fingerprint testing.
Now Tennessee's post-conviction fingerprint analysis law aims to change that.
I don't believe there's a nefarious actor here. It's just that there's human error involved. We know now that eyewitness testimony and statements are not as reliable as maybe we thought they once were.
It creates a method for people convicted of certain offenses to petition for fingerprint analysis of evidence.
Years ago, if there was this, this law, if it had been passed, then I would have been able to ask or request for some of this fingerprint analysis. And so that would have revealed the truth, and then I wouldn't have been in prison all those years.
Brasil hopes the new law will help the innocent find freedom right under their fingertips. In Nashville, Olivia Michael, News Channel 5.
Brasil's murder charges were dropped, and he took an Alford plea to lesser charges, but he says a parole board voted unanimously to recommend his exoneration, something he hopes Governor Lee will grant.